Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Grok's economy and difficulty fix attempt mode in STALKER 2. To do it, go into this website, which is also in the description down below. And this mod reworks the game difficulty and economy, so it changes expensive repairs, almost no armor or gun degradation, less expensive upgrades, less tanky enemies, less ammo, and you can read more here. Here is the detailed description, so you can read all of that. Here are also recommended mods to use, which you can download as well. And then let's go to Files. In Files you can select this one or this one. I'm gonna select the default one on the top, click on Manual Download. Then if you are not signed up for Nexus Mods website, then you'll be able to sign up here. And if you are already logged in, then click on Slow Download. If you have premium version of Nexus Mods, you can click on Fast Download, but it costs a few dollars, so the slow download is free. Now it downloads the zip file. You can open the downloads folder on your computer, then right click on this downloaded file and click on extract all, then extract. Now it's extracted, as you can see, and you can either choose all of these or just choose this one. I'm gonna select all of the pack files, but before we copy that into the mods folder, let's go to the mods folder. So to do that, open Steam app, then in library find your game, right click on it, then click on properties, installed files, browse, STALKER 2, content, packs, and here are the packs. If you can find your mods folder here, then open it, but if you don't have it, you can just create it. So right click anywhere on your free space and click on new folder, then name it ~mods, so it has to have the tilde before mods, then click on enter and open the folder. And here you're gonna copy your files. So let's open this folder with the pack files and just select them, then drag them into the mods folder, and now you can run the game. So it will change the economy and difficulty, and also these files will change the health points pool in the game for different mutants. And to run the game, just go into Steam and play, and you're gonna use the mod. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.